Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can appear offline in the Strava application on Android. So let us begin. Alright, so let me launch the Strava app on my Android phone. And for this method, guys, you will need to access your messaging settings. To do that, tap into that button at the top with these two speech bubbles next to your profile icon. And that is going to redirect you to the list of chats, conversations and messages you have had with your contacts. So to access your settings, tap into that gear icon in the top right corner. And basically, guys, what will be needed to do on the next page is simply switch your online status to offline, basically here by turning it off. And it is going to show your offline status to your contacts in your group and direct messages. If you'd like to appear online again, simply enable it. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.